Hey guys, now we will discuss some of the advanced annotations of Lombok. So first annotation we are going to discuss is cleanup annotation. So cleanup annotation is used to reduce boilerplate code such as try finally statement and try with resource. So when you use that annotation, it completely remove your finally and try statements and try with resource. So before this annotation, we will see two approaches to handle resource in Java, like this one. As you can see in my screen, so first approach is to close the resource in the finally block. So normally we used to do this one, like we open a resource here and we do some operations and we are catching any exceptions. Then we have finally to close the resource. This is for preventing the memory leaks. So this is first approach. The second approach we are used to do the resource cleanup is a try with resource. So we open the in this approach we open the resource in the try block. So try is itself is responsible for closing that resource. Okay, here we are not explicitly providing the finally block to close that resource because try is handling that part in the backend. Okay, so these are the two legacy approaches which we used to do before Lombok. So after the Lombok provide means a cleanup annotations. Let me show you here. This annotation is provided by the Lombok. What it will do, uh, it will automatically generate the finally block which has the closure of this is resource in it. All right, and we can directly perform our operations, and we no need to, focus on the closing of resource because this annotation is handling that part. Let me quickly show you those things in the generated class. And let me open a compiled version of this class. All right, so this is the one. So if you will see that we used cleanup annotation and the source code generated by that annotation is this one. Like it is generated in the try, then finally, and in the finally, it is checking like this and scanner dot close. So here we are not doing any close statement or resource check that whether it is null or not null so that we can close. But this is already been handled by this annotation at the rate cleanup, and we can make use of this annotation in your project, which will prevent memory leaks, and it is very useful, guys.